Welcome to the human experience, the one and only. What makes us human? Where I drop knowledge on human performance optimization.
It's time to discover what makes us human.
I'm your host, Dr. Dyke.
It's time to discover
Boom, 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 boom.
what makes us human.
What is human performance optimization? It's the evidence-based approach of applying science, real-world experience, and innovation to calibrate, elevate, and sustain human performance. Simply stated, it's a lifestyle 24/7, 365. Whether you're an executive, athlete, educator, or astronaut, as a human, you're a performer. You're a performer. Makes us human. It's a lifestyle. 365. Human performance optimization is designed to support the interdependence of your productivity, equanimity, and vitality. Realms often perceived as mutually exclusive. It's time to synthesize your life 24/7, 365. The time is now. I'm not interested in suboptimal performance, and neither are you. My mission is to identify, customize, and implement a solution for you and your 6 degrees of separation through podcasts, consultations, workshops, webinars, and seminars. Contact me to learn more about the value, significance, and implementation of human performance optimization. Thank you for joining the mission.